Hey, it's Megan, and today I am out secondhand shopping for my apartment. I just moved in like 2 weeks ago into my apartment for grad school at USC, and there are some things that I still need for my room. As you can see, there's like a big chair in my trunk. I just bought my first big item off of Facebook Marketplace, so that was an interesting experience. I had to drive like 45 minutes from LA into the valley. At least I think I'm in the valley, Woodland Hills, I don't know. I had to drive like 45 minutes to pick up the chair from this lovely woman who just has a chair collection, I guess. So I picked up that chair, and since I drove so far, I thought I would also visit some thrift stores around here because I have just about picked through everything that's around USC. So the first one that I'm going to is a Salvation Army. I went to a Salvation Army a few weeks ago in Santa Monica and got like a coupon that I have to use before the end of August, so I'm gonna use that today. I'm looking mainly for like home decor. I have way too many clothes. God knows I'll probably go look in the clothes section while I'm there as well, but yes, the main objective of today is to find some kind of organization, like cool baskets, things to plant my succulents in because I need to repot them really badly, things like that. So just more like organizational type stuff. Okay, so that was a major bust. It was a Salvation Army family store, which I thought just was like a regular Salvation Army, but it was tiny. So now I get that Salvation Army and Salvation Army family stores are different things. I have to figure out what I want to do. Down the road a little bit, there's a Goodwill and a Buffalo Exchange. I've never been to Buffalo Exchange. I don't even know if they have house stuff. I also think there's a Salvation Army like up the road a little bit, so I might go there. Take two. There were some good baskets and things. I guess I just don't really know what I want. So that made it difficult. I was just gone for like 3 hours almost, which is wild to me. It was pretty successful. I got this picnic basket from Goodwill. I went to Goodwill first and was like, I don't know. Really, I should have gotten the picnic basket at that first thrift store that I went to. It was like twice as expensive as this one, but it was a little bit nicer. But I like the color of this basket a little bit better. I got this huge pink mug, which is like literally the same color as my jumpsuit today. I got this to plant some kind of a plant in. A lot of my succulents are in tiny little things and they're like kind of ugly because they're plastic. So I'm gonna plant them in this. And then I also got another mug just for fun. So for Christmas one year, I think my aunt got me and my siblings these The Universe Knows mugs. They have little sayings on the side. I had one that was like, follow your heart, and on the other side it said the universe knows. So I just kind of liked that I found this one. It says cherish the journey and then the universe knows on the other side, and I think it's a cute color and you can never have too many mugs. I might plant another plant in here or do something else, I don't know. But that's all the home stuff I found. There were a lot of baskets, but I kind of want my baskets to be similar coloring to my chair, which might be kind of hard to find, but I think that that'll be more cohesive. I'm gonna head home because I've been thrifting like all day and it's gonna be like an hour drive home. I'll probably stop at the Goodwill by my school on the way back just to see if they have anything else. This is what I got at the Goodwill by my school. It says Wilson and Daniels, St. Helena, California. It's like a wine thing, which is kind of cool. It's like pretty dusty inside. Picnic basket. This was $7.99. Oh, there's a price tag on here, $65. Gross. Oh, that looks so much better. So I'm back. It's a few days later. Because the picnic basket didn't really work in terms of the size of my space, I decided to just kind of keep going back to Goodwill to see what other kind of storage solutions I can find. I don't really want to be spending money on new things, especially things like baskets and stuff where I know that Goodwill is gonna have stuff. So I just kind of kept going. Today I had some stuff to donate, so I was there anyway and decided just to take a look through. I was there at like 9:30 and the store opens at 9 a.m. so I did get a pretty good pick of some of the stuff that was there, and I'm really excited about what I found. So first I got this little skinny basket. This was $1.99 and I think this will fit perfectly, yeah, literally the perfect length on my shelf. Whether it goes up on a higher shelf or down below here, I think it's really good. Maybe to hold reusable bags or just other kind of like tchotchkes and things so they look a little more organized. The next thing I got was this basket. This basket, it's like a magazine holder. I think this will be really good next to my desk. I've been reorganizing that area also, and I think this could be good to hold textbooks and other books for school and stuff so that they're a little more organized, but in this nice little thing. This was $3.99 and the inside is really dirty, so I'm going to be putting that through the washing machine today. It's white and it's not as white as I know that it used to be, so my tip for washing things that need to be a bit more brighter white without using bleach or like other kind of chemicals is to use baking soda. So I just sprinkle a little bit in there on top of my regular detergent, and it always ends up making things a little more bright. This is a good tip when you accidentally wash a purple blazer with all of your new white thrifted items. The next thing I got are these little pull-out drawers. I honestly don't really know what I'm gonna put in this. I think it also could be good on one of these middle shelves. Maybe to hold some things that I just don't use as often, but that I'd like to have. It is a little dirty on the top, but I have white paint left over from when I painted a side table that I bought, so I'm just going to spruce that up. I also think that this basket would do really well on top on one of those shelves. I got this square basket. It has wood on the top and then wire on the bottom. I'm hoping that this will fit. Yes! I have a cube at the bottom of my other little shelf that's currently just like a fabric cube that you buy at Target, but mine looks really dirty and I want something a little more upgraded. I'm excited that this is the perfect size. As you can see, I've reorganized a little bit since we last talked. This wine box, which I love, I would love to find more of them. I have like my leftover mason jars and some other like sustainability things in there, and then my cool shoes, and then my sewing machine all the way up the top. I was feeling a little defeated after I came back and my picnic basket didn't fit. Feeling much better after this trip to Goodwill, and it's just a reminder that thrift trips are never perfect. Whatever you watch on YouTube, I'm sure people spend hours in the thrift store looking for what they want, and if you want something really specific like a basket, it's gonna take some trial and error. This was what, literally my 5th or 6th trip to a thrift store in the past few days, so good things will come. lot about thrifting and buying things sustainably and consciously on my Instagram and on my blog, and I thought that translating this type of an activity over to a YouTube video would be kind of useful for people to show what the thrifting process is like, and that not everything is perfect when you get it, and that you still have to wash things like wicker baskets before you put them in your room. I'm really thrilled with the way that everything turned out, and really was not expecting this to go so well. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in my next video.